Hello and welcome. This time we are going to calculate probability that the customer shall wait for more than 10 minutes in the queue. This time we are going to calculate something the customer's point of view. All previous calculations were the management point of view. Now we are going to make some calculation the customer point of view. For what time on an average, what is the probability that I have to wait 10 minutes in the queue? That kind of calculation. It is the case of exponential distribution and the formula will be WQ, waiting time in the queue, for T, unit of time, equals to rho, that is utilization rate, into E, 2.71828, the constant base of natural logarithm, e raised to minus t by expected waiting time in the system. Now expected waiting time in the system, simply Ws is 1 upon mu 10 minus lambda 6 units, which these two things are per hour. So the answer will be in terms of hour, 1/4 hour, that is 15 minutes. We have to convert this into minutes because our time unit in this question is in number of minutes. That's why we are converting this into minutes from the number of hours. Okay. Now, what will be the calculation? WQ for 10 minutes equals to 5, that is 0.6, rather not 5, it is rho, into 2.71828 raised to T is 10 minus 10 by Ws is 15 as we calculated. 0.6 into 2.71828 raised to minus 2 by 3. You can make it simplification as 0.67 or whatever, but the final answer comes to 0.31. So, the probability that the customer shall wait for more than 10 minutes in the queue is 0.31. Roughly you can say that out of 100 customers, we can expect that 30 customers have to wait. This is rough interpretation. But the clear question is, what is the probability that the customer shall wait for more than 10 minutes in the queue? Is 0.31. As a customer, I have to keep this thing into mind before joining the queue. That's it. Thank you very much.